In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix MoneyGram website not loading. First, make sure your internet connection is stable and try refreshing the page or opening it in different browser like Chrome or Firefox because sometimes the problem is just temporary glitches. If that doesn't work, clear your browser cache and cookies by going to your browser settings as stored data can sometimes prevent websites from loading properly. Another trick is to disable any VPN or proxy you might be using, since MoneyGram's site can block access from certain locations. You can also check if the website is down for everyone by visiting a service like Down Detector to confirm it's not a server-side issue. Finally, if none of this work, try using different phone data network instead of Wi-Fi or switch to a different device to see if it loads. So that's it.